Call me crazy, but I like a big bathroom, and I like a discount even more. This is a 2024 Heartland North Trail 2.5 RBP floor plan, and it is still new. And we don't want to take it into 2026. So we've marked down the price to $29,999. Please send this to your friends, somebody that's been looking for that right RV. This is it. I'm telling you, right? Big rear bath, nice lounge area, lots of counter space. You'll see. Some specifications for you. It's 30 feet and 11 inches from tongue to bumper. It has a GVWR of 9,544 pounds. It has a fresh tank capacity of 45 gallons, a gray tank capacity of 80 gallons, and a black tank capacity of 40 gallons. Who am I? My name's Sam. I'm here at Referral Auto Group in Escalon, California. You can reach me at 350-207-7290, or you can email me at the email on the screen. With that being said, let's get into the walkthrough. This is on our lot already, and we play a bit of Tetris here, so please don't mind how tight the spaces are. I'll try to show it to you the best I can. All right, starting on the outside of the RV, we have the molded front cap up front with the fiberglass Azdale exterior walls. You got King Kong storage on these Heartland North Trails, which means you have a bigger pass-through storage up front. Electric stabilizing jacks underneath the coach. On the front and back of the vehicle, you have one slide on the 25 RBP. Framed windows all the way around, which means they open up far more than the frameless. Just means you get about 50% of your window when it's open versus 25% or so on the frameless ones. Coming back to the end of this coach, you have 30 amp service, you have one AC up top. Spare tire on the back here, and there is prep for not just a Lippert ladder, but also a Furrion rear camera. Coming down the side here, you're gonna have your outside kitchen. You have a fridge, tiny little 12 volt, 110 fridge on the left-hand side with your griddle next to it. More ride steps coming down. Those are the wide steps. One of my favorite things on this trailer is the wide track suspension. Since you're covering more ground with those tires, you're gonna have a better time. You're gonna have anti-porpoise, anti-sway, just a better pull all the way around. LED lighting all the way down. Usually gets you about 8 to 10 feet of lighting outside of the coach. You're gonna have a tank water heater on this vehicle. This is the other side of your pass-through storage. Tinted windows all the way around for better light on the inside of the coach. All right, let's head inside. Entering into the North Trail, first thing you're gonna see is the living area with the dining room table and the TV up above. But turning around, one of my favorite things is this bathroom. You have a wide shower in there with the storage facing, storage next to the toilet, and the toilet facing the door, which gives you a bit more space. Going to have an ample amount of counter space here with 2 vanity cabinets above it, which means we also have extra storage in there. Coming back into the main area, this is a Chase love seat right here, but this also pulls out into a bed. This rolls this way. It has rollers on the bottom of it, some cup holders back there if you are just hanging out watching a show on your TV. All TVs at Referral Auto Group do have cable satellite already connected. You usually get about 90 channels with it. Coming over here in the kitchen, you have a lot of counter space. Underneath, you have storage. You also have an oven with an air fryer built in, 3 burner top stove, microwave up top, storage all the way around. You do have an LP AC fridge on this 2024, which means that you have capability to use it with shoreline power and also propane to keep your fridge cold. Coming to the front of the coach, you have your queen bed in your bedroom. You do have ports on both sides of the bed, one 110 and also one USB port on each side with storage next to and to the side of. Okay. That is the 25 RBP. Oh, one of my favorite things on this vehicle that I show off every time I'm in it is this is a laminated roof, which means that you have no bowing. Solid roof right there. Not gonna have anything breaking through there. That was the 2024 Heartland North Trail 2.5 RBP floor plan. I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough. My name's Sam. I'm here in Escalon, California at Referral Auto Group. We're open Tuesday through Saturday, 9 to 5. You can call me at the number on the screen or email me at the email on the screen. Somebody, just send this to your friends. I forgot something. If you come here to purchase one of our 2024 models in the month of December of 2025, we will give you a $1,000 dealer credit towards any RV that is from the 2024 models. That means $1,000 towards the RV, $1,000 towards service, or $1,000 towards our part department. It's a dealer credit just for you. Let your friends know, let your family know, let them take advantage of this, okay? Love you, bye.